Hi, welcome back to this channel. If you're looking for a way to generate passive income and diversify your investments, you've probably come across something called mortgage note investing. But is it worth it? So today we're breaking down the pros and cons of mortgage note investing, the real benefits, the potential risks, and what you need to consider before diving in. So let's get right into it. But first, what is mortgage note investing? It is when you buy the debt on the property. Not the property itself, but the promissory note tied to it. That means instead of collecting rent like a landlord, you're now collecting loan payments like the bank does. Pretty cool, right? But let's look at why so many investors are jumping into notes these days. First up is passive income. When you own a mortgage note, you're getting monthly payments without dealing with tenants. No repairs or late-night plumbing emergencies. It's one of the most hands-off ways to earn consistent cash flow. Second is diversification. Adding notes to your portfolio can help spread your risk beyond stocks, bonds, or traditional real estate. Third, we have the investment is secured by real estate. That means that if the borrower defaults, you still have the property backing your investment. And here's something else. Flexibility. You can invest in performing notes, non-performing, reperforming ones. It all depends on how much risk you're comfortable with taking. High returns? Absolutely possible, especially with non-performing notes, which are often sold at a discount. If you manage it right, you could be looking at double-digit returns. You can also start small. There's no need to go all in right away. Whether you're putting in a few thousand, mortgage notes are accessible to a wide range of investors. And another perk, you may have control over the terms. Sometimes you can negotiate the interest rate or the payment schedule with the borrower, which gives you more say in the investment. And if the borrower stops paying, you might have the opportunity to take back the property. If it's worth more, that's a win for you. But let's not forget the potential tax benefits. You might be able to defer some income or write off certain expenses, all depending on how the deal is structured and what's your position in that deal. And lastly, you can actually help people. By buying distressed notes and help them to get back on their feet, you might help a struggling homeowner avoid foreclosure and stay in their home. Alright, now let's look also about the risk, because this strategy isn't perfect. A borrower's default is probably one of the big ones. If they stop paying, you may need to start those foreclosure process, which can take time and cost money. Liquidity can be an issue too. Unlike stocks and mutual funds, you can't just click a button and sell your note the next day. It may take some weeks or sometimes months, depending on your asking price, to find a buyer. Then there's the legal stuff. Foreclosure and other processes can get complicated. Laws varies from state to state. So you need to know what you're doing or work with someone else who does. Doing your homework is critical. Due diligence takes time, and you need to understand the borrower's situation, the property's value, and the note's terms. Real estate markets can shift. If the value of the property drops, your collateral might not be worth what you expected. You also have to think about regulations. Mortgage note investing involves compliance, and that means paperwork, servicing requirements, and sometimes licensing, depending on your state. And if you're investing in a different area or state, you could be dealing with unfamiliar markets, legal systems, or economic conditions. Some note offers lower returns, especially if you're buying performing notes with low interest rates. The cash flow might be stable, but not very exciting. Then there are servicing costs. Whether you do it yourself or hire a third party, managing the loan can involve fees for those collecting payments, sending notices, and tracking performance. So is mortgage note investing right for you? It all depends. Think about the risk tolerance, the hands-on you want to be, your long-term goals. Do your research, understand the legal landscape. And if you're new to this, consider working with somebody experienced that can help you avoid costly mistakes. Mortgage note investing can offer amazing rewards, but only if you go with your eyes wide open. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more real estate investing insights. And if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to help people.